10 tempting low-calorie recipes that are not only healthy but also delicious. So let's dive right in. First up, we have a mouth-watering grilled chicken salad. Tender, juicy chicken breast combined with fresh, vibrant veggies, sprinkled with a light vinaigrette, a truly satisfying meal. Next on our list is a zucchini noodle stir-fry. Swap out those heavy carbs for nutritious zoodles and toss them with colorful veggies and a flavorful sauce. This guilt-free dish will leave you feeling light and satisfied. Craving pizza but watching your calories? Our next recipe is for you. A cauliflower crust pizza topped with tangy tomato sauce, melted mozzarella, and your favorite veggies. Each bite is a guilt-free pleasure. For those seafood lovers out there, we've got a treat for you. Our lemon garlic shrimp skewers are bursting with flavor. Serve them alongside a refreshing cucumber salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Who doesn't love a hearty bowl of chili? Our recipe takes a healthier twist with lean turkey breast, a variety of kidney beans, and a blend of aromatic spices. Top it off with some homemade salsa for an extra kick. Moving on to our vegetarian option, stuffed bell peppers. Roasted bell peppers filled with a delicious blend of quinoa, black beans, and Mexican spices. This colorful dish will definitely impress your taste buds. Looking for a light and refreshing option? Our grilled shrimp and avocado salad is perfect for you. Bursting with citrusy flavors, this salad is packed with nutrients and will keep you energized throughout the day. Up next, we have a classic favorite, chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Tender chicken breast cooked with an assortment of crunchy veggies and a savory sauce. It's a quick and easy meal that never disappoints. Craving some Italian flavors? Our low-calorie spaghetti squash carbonara will hit the spot. Combining the creaminess of traditional carbonara with the goodness of spaghetti squash, it's a guilt-free indulgence. Last but not least, we have a refreshing watermelon salad. Juicy watermelon chunks tossed with feta cheese, mint leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. It's the perfect summer salad to keep you cool and satisfied. That's it for today's episode of Wholesome Bites. We hope you enjoyed these 10 tempting low-calorie recipes that will nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. See you next time.